Welcome to DelftStack. Today, we will see how to fix the ACPI BIOS error in Windows 11. This error can appear during startup, and it is usually related to hardware or BIOS settings. First, try a power drain. Turn off your PC and unplug the power cable. If you have a laptop, remove the battery too. Then, hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. This clears any leftover power in the system and can help fix temporary issues. Next, disconnect all unnecessary devices. Unplug USB drives, printers, or other peripherals. Sometimes new or faulty hardware can cause this error, so removing them can help identify the problem. After that, reset your BIOS. Restart your computer and press the BIOS key, which is usually Del, F2, or F10, depending on your system. Once inside, look for an option like Load Optimized Defaults or Reset to Default. This restores your BIOS settings to safe defaults and often fixes ACPI issues. If the error continues, check your RAM. Power off your PC, unplug it, and open the case. Carefully remove the RAM sticks and then place them back firmly. This ensures a proper connection and can solve errors caused by loose memory modules. Another step is to scan for system file corruption. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type sfc /scanno. This tool will check for corrupted files in Windows and repair them if necessary. Finally, if none of the previous steps work, you may need to reinstall Windows 11. A clean installation removes deep software conflicts and gives your system a fresh start. Following these steps should help you resolve the ACPI BIOS error and get Windows 11 running smoothly again. Thanks for watching.